if you make any WordPress website, first of all, to activate by the Google Search Console. Google Search Console main option is called to your ranking your website on Google scroll list. Means when people searching your website, you can show it on your Google search engine list. Without Webmaster, your website does not showing for Google Search Console list. In this very important is called to activate the Google Webmaster. Another name is called Google Search Console. First you can enter here google.com/webmasters. In Webmaster activation, two process. WordPress depend on the plugin. With the plugin, without plugin to activate by the Google Webmaster. I'm clicking sign in. Is careful to watch to activate your Webmaster. This will be ranking your website on Google search engine list. Now, in this, select your site. Click for overview. Select option call is add property. You can select by the with the HTTPS. Now click for continue. Is generating for two type of code. One is HTML file. Second will be HTML tag. One is HTML file. Second will be HTML tag. In HTML tag, you can go to WordPress dashboard, install for all-in-one SEO pack. Install for all-in-one SEO pack. One is with the plugin. Everything using for all-in-one SEO. In this all-in-one SEO, any installation can select by the plugins. Select by the plugin. Anything activation and deactivation. Anything activation and deactivation. See this. This will be activate. Now click for all-in-one SEO. In this scroll down, in this option call is Google Search Console. In this option call is HTML tag. Copy. Now click for add here. And second option. Where is it? Download your HTML file. Then now log in for cPanel. Go to File Manager. In this public_HTML, select your upload your file. Select your file. Go for download. Select in this. Check the date. Today 18/6/2019, 7:53 AM. Post your file. Done. So one will be here is done. Now finally click for update. So I'm adding 4 here. 1 second. So just copy, paste, click for update. Add your code, and here activation will be two process. When adding HTML tag, here click for verify. When adding for HTML file, here click for verify. But two verification will be accept. But once you click the first verify, second verify does not require. Any one verify is required for a particular option. So in this, I'm using for which one? HTML tag. Why? HTML file easily understandable by cPanel. I'm checking for my plugin is working or not. My plugin is working or not. Now click for verify. Done. It will be properly done. Now click for done. After that, you can refresh. So any WordPress to activation Google Search Console, we have the two options. One is with a plugin, second will be without plugin. Without plugin is a cPanel, with plugin is the all-in-one SEO pack. Now I can select. Open your site and your activation will be done. Is it clear? This is called you can activation your particular WordPress site using with and without plugin.